Tonight, Illinois quickly takes legal action after a federal judge rules the state's ban on assault weapons and magazine capacity limits is unconstitutional.
This has been a huge issue in the state of Illinois, and especially in the community of Highland Park, a community still recovering from the 4th of July mass shooting 2 years ago. NBC5's JC Navarrete has reaction from both sides and the state's next legal move.
This was Illinois' response, getting rid of the weapon that caused the greatest amount of destruction. And here we are back exactly where we started.
Dr. Elliot Lieberman, a survivor of the Highland Park parade shooting, reacting to a ruling reversing the state's ban on assault weapons and magazine limits. This after a downstate federal judge ruled that ban was unconstitutional.
Whether it be Highland Park or any of the ones that occur on a day-to-day basis have effects well beyond those who are physically injured.
The 168-page opinion released Friday by Judge Stephen McGlynn is siding with plaintiffs in the case, arguing the weapons in question are largely used for self-defense, writing in part the ban, quote, deprives citizens of a principal means to defend themselves and their property, end quote. Lieberman and his coalition, On Call for Children, strongly disagree.
Unless you're looking to shred the existence of the person facing you.
Governor J.B. Pritzker weighing in Friday night, saying in part, quote, this law was enacted to and has protected Illinoisans from the constant fear of being gunned down in places where they ought to feel secure. Tonight, the Illinois State Rifle Association praising Judge McGlynn and vowing to continue the fight.
If I had a crystal ball, I would say that the 7th Circuit would kick it to the United States Supreme Court, and we might see this case coming up in March.
It's important to note the state's weapon ban would not impact the city of Highland Park, since that jurisdiction has had its own weapons ban in place since 2013. Also, Friday night, the state quickly filed an appeal, paving the way for a lengthy legal battle. JC Navarrete, NBC5 News.